Imagine archaeologists brushing away millennia of sand and uncovering this culinary time capsule. This discovery is more than just old cheese, it's a window into the past, offering a glimpse into the dietary habits and ingenuity of ancient people. The finding of KEFIR cheese at Shaohui is a landmark moment in archaeology. It pushes back the origins of this fermented dairy product by a staggering millennium. Before this discovery, the earliest evidence of KEFIR came from 2,000-year-old Roman texts. Now we see that KEFIR has a far richer, more ancient history deeply intertwined with the early cultures of Central Asia. If you find this interesting, take a moment to share with a friend, like our content, and subscribe for further updates. The Shaohui discovery rewrites the story of KEFIR. It places its genesis in the heart of Asia, thousands of years before it reached the Caucasus Mountains, its traditionally attributed birthplace. From its origins in Xinjiang, KEFIR embarked on a remarkable journey, traversing continents and shaping culinary traditions along the way. Imagine caravans laden with goods, including the starter cultures for KEFIR, making their way across the Silk Road. This network of trade routes served as a conduit for cultural exchange, with KEFIR flowing westward alongside spices, textiles, and ideas. From the bustling markets of Central Asia, KEFIR found its way to Tibet, where it became a staple in the high-altitude regions. Centuries later, KEFIR would reach Europe, carried by travelers and traders who recognized its unique flavor and health benefits. Fascinated? As always, if you are enjoying this video, please like our content and subscribe for further updates, and be sure to share it with a like-minded friend. The process of making KEFIR has remained remarkably consistent across millennia. At its core, KEFIR production relies on a symbiotic dance between milk and KEFIR grains. These aren't grains in the traditional sense, but rather a fascinating community of bacteria and yeasts living in a symbiotic relationship. In ancient times, herders likely discovered KEFIR by chance. Perhaps milk stored in animal skins fermented naturally, inoculated by wild yeasts and bacteria present in the environment. This happy accident led to the development of KEFIR grains, which could then be used to ferment fresh milk. Today we understand the science behind this ancient practice. We can cultivate specific strains of bacteria and yeasts to create KEFIR with desired flavors and probiotic profiles, yet the essence of KEFIR making remains the same, a testament to the enduring power of microbial fermentation. Please take a moment to share this video with a friend, like our content, so we bring you more subjects like these, and subscribe for further updates. A tiny alchemist with a big history. The discovery of 3,600-year-old KEFIR cheese wouldn't have been possible without the field of molecular archaeology. By analyzing ancient DNA preserved in the cheese, scientists identified a key player in KEFIR's history. This lactic acid bacterium is essential for KEFIR fermentation, producing lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and ethanol, which give KEFIR its characteristic tart, slightly effervescent flavor. The presence of which in the Shaohui cheese provides compelling evidence for the early evolution of this microbial community. It suggests that this bacterium, along with its yeast counterparts, has been a constant companion to humans for millennia, playing a vital role in shaping our culinary practices and, perhaps, even our health. This finding underscores the interconnectedness of human history and the microbial world. If you are enjoying this video, please remember to share with a friend, like our content, and subscribe for further updates. Fermentation, the ancient secret to food security. Imagine a time before refrigeration, a time when preserving food was paramount to survival. In this context, fermentation emerged as a revolutionary technology. It allowed ancient communities to extend the shelf life of perishable foods, ensuring a more reliable food supply. KEFIR, with its natural preservation properties, would have been a godsend for ancient people. The lactic acid produced during fermentation acts as a natural preservative, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. This meant that KEFIR could be stored for longer periods without spoiling, providing sustenance even during lean times. Furthermore, fermentation enhances the nutritional value of food. It breaks down complex sugars and proteins, making them easier to digest and absorb. This was especially important for ancient communities who may not have had access to a diverse diet. As always, if you find this subject to be of interest, please share with a friend, like our content, and subscribe for further updates. Taming the milk, KEFIR cheese and early dairy consumption. The domestication of animals and the subsequent availability of milk represented a turning point in human history. However, early humans faced a challenge: lactose intolerance. Most adults were unable to digest lactose, the sugar found in milk, leading to digestive discomfort. KEFIR cheese provided an ingenious solution to this problem. During the fermentation process, the lactose in milk is broken down into simpler sugars, making kefir cheese more tolerable for those with lactose intolerance. This adaptation allowed ancient communities to benefit from the nutritional richness of dairy without the adverse effects. Kefir cheese, therefore, played a crucial role in expanding the human diet and facilitating the widespread adoption of dairy. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend, like our content and subscribe for further updates.